Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm in the process of making some cabinet doors for my custom workbench series, and just thought I'd share a quick tip, little trick I use when I'm cutting the frame pieces for my shaker style doors. I'll get my measurement for one of the pieces, cut it on a chop saw. I'll take that piece, I'll lay it on the next piece of wood, and I'll score a line at the end of the board I just cut onto the next piece, and that'll give me the exact length transferred onto the next piece of wood. So long as I do a good job cutting on that line that I just scored, both pieces will be the exact length with each other, and it'll help you have shaker doors that are pretty darn square. So